Have you ever opened Claude, stared at that empty text box, and had absolutely no idea what to type? You know you want help with something. Maybe it's a decision you've been putting off, or a topic that feels too big and tangled to even know where to start. But instead of typing anything, you just close the tab. That moment of freezing up, that's one of the most common things beginners experience, and nobody talks about it enough. Here's the good news. That frozen feeling isn't a sign that AI isn't for you. It's actually a sign that you're missing one simple habit. And once you have it, everything shifts. Today we're going to talk about what I call the Learn First method. It's a way of approaching Claude that takes the pressure completely off you to know the right thing to ask. Instead of trying to be clever or specific right away, you start by asking Claude to teach you. You use it like a patient, knowledgeable friend who has time to explain things clearly before you have to make any decisions. That's it. That's the whole idea. But let's unpack exactly how to do it, because the details make all the difference. Let's start with why most beginners get stuck in the first place. When we sit down with a tool, we feel like we're supposed to already know how to use it. We feel pressure to ask the perfect question. And if we don't know enough about the topic to ask a smart question, we feel embarrassed, even though there's no one else in the room. It's just us in a chat window. But that pressure is real, and it stops people from getting value from Claude every single day. The Learn First method flips that pressure completely. Instead of trying to ask the right question, you tell Claude what you're confused about, and you ask it to orient you. You're not asking for answers yet. You're asking for a map. Think of it like arriving in a new city. Before you try to navigate to a specific restaurant, you want to get your bearings. You want to know which direction is north, what the neighborhoods are called, what's worth knowing before you start moving. The Learn First method is that first conversation where you get your bearings. Here's a concrete example. Let's say you want to start investing a little bit of your savings, but every time you try to research it online, you feel more confused than when you started. You don't know enough to even know what to search. Instead of asking Claude something like, "What's the best investment for me?" which puts all the pressure on you to have already figured out what you need, try this instead. Type something like, "I'm a complete beginner with investing. I don't know any of the vocabulary. Can you give me a friendly overview of the main concepts I'd need to understand before I start making any decisions?" That's the Learn First approach. You're not asking for a recommendation. You're asking for an education. And Claude will walk you through it in plain language, at whatever pace you need. After that conversation, you'll have the vocabulary to ask better follow-up questions. You'll know what you don't know. And that's an incredibly valuable place to be. You can then say, "Okay, you mentioned index funds, can you explain that more simply?" Or, "What questions should I be asking a financial advisor?" The first conversation builds the foundation for every conversation that follows. Now let's try this with something even more everyday. Imagine you've been asked to plan a team lunch at work. There are dietary restrictions to think about, a budget to stay within, and you've never really organized anything like this before. You don't know where to start. You could try searching online, but you'd get 1,000 listicles and nothing that actually fits your situation. Instead, open Claude and say, "I need to plan a team lunch for about 12 people. I've never done this before. What are the main things I should think about before I start making decisions?" Claude will help you see the categories, the budget, the logistics, the food variety, the timing, the venue options. It gives you a framework. Now you're not staring at a blank page. You have a checklist of things to figure out, and you can tackle them one by one, asking Claude for help at each step. The Learn First method turns an overwhelming task into a series of manageable questions. Let's go a little deeper, because this method is also incredibly useful when you're learning something new for yourself, not just for a task. Say you've been hearing about mindfulness and you're curious, but every article you find either feels too vague or too spiritual for your taste and you just can't connect with it. Try asking Claude, "I keep hearing about mindfulness but I'm skeptical. Can you explain what it actually is, what the research says about it, and what someone practical and a little skeptical should know before deciding if it's worth trying. That single question opens up a real learning conversation. Claude can give you an honest, balanced explanation. You're not committed to anything. You're just learning. And that low-pressure entry point makes it much easier to actually engage. Here's another way the Learn First method shines: when you're dealing with a problem that feels personal or complicated. Let's say you're trying to figure out how to have a difficult conversation with a family member about something sensitive. You don't even know how to describe what you want help with. You could start by asking Claude, "I need to have a hard conversation with someone close to me, but I don't know how to approach it. Before I explain my specific situation, can you walk me through how people generally approach difficult personal conversations? What frameworks or approaches do people find useful?" Now you're learning before you're problem solving. You might discover a concept like nonviolent communication, or the idea of leading with curiosity instead of accusations. Armed with that background, you can then describe your actual situation and ask for much more targeted help. You might be wondering, is this slower? Does all this learning first stuff mean I'm taking a longer path to my answer? Sometimes, yes, it takes an extra exchange or two. But here's what's actually true: when you skip the learning step, you often get answers that don't quite fit your situation, because you didn't know enough to ask the right question. You end up going back and forth, getting confused, feeling like Claude isn't that helpful. The Learn First method actually gets you to a useful answer faster, because the foundation is solid. There's one more piece of this I want to share, and it's about what to do when you get an explanation from Claude and you still don't understand it. This happens. It happens to everyone. And the right move is simple: just say so. Type, "I'm still confused. Can you try explaining that differently, maybe with a simpler analogy?" Claude doesn't get frustrated. It doesn't make you feel bad for not getting it the first time. You can ask it to explain the same thing 5 different ways if you need to. That patience is one of the most underrated things about working with an AI. Use it. Don't rush past the parts you don't understand just because you feel like you should be keeping up. So let's pull this all together. The Learn First method has a few simple moves. First, when you feel stuck or overwhelmed, don't try to ask for the perfect answer right away. Ask for orientation. Ask Claude to explain the landscape of the topic. Second, give Claude context about where you're starting from. Tell it you're a beginner. Tell it what you already know or don't know. That context makes the response much more useful for you specifically. Third, use what you learned to ask better follow-up questions. One conversation builds into the next. Fourth, when something doesn't land, ask Claude to explain it again in a different way. There's no penalty for needing more time with an idea. And fifth, remember that you don't need to have anything figured out before you open Claude. The whole point is that you figure it out together. Think about what this actually makes possible. All those topics you've been meaning to understand but kept putting off because they felt too complicated. All those decisions you've been avoiding because you didn't feel informed enough. All those projects you wanted to start but couldn't find a clear entry point. The Learn First method is your entry point. It works every time, with any topic, at any level of knowledge. You don't have to be smart or technical to use Claude well. You just have to be willing to say, "I don't know yet, help me understand." That's it. That's the skill. And now you have it. If you want to keep building on this, with more real examples, more practice prompts, and a clear path through every part of using Claude in your everyday life, head over to ClaudeAIClass.com/course. We've put together a full beginner course that takes you from exactly where you are right now to feeling genuinely confident with AI. Take it at your own pace. We'll see you there.